The Ego Power Plus SNT2110 Peak Power 21-inch cordless snowblower delivers impressive snow clearing performance without the noise, fumes, or maintenance of gas-powered machines. Designed for residential snow removal, this cordless snowblower combines advanced battery technology and robust build quality to handle heavy snow with ease. Peak Power TM Technology equipped with Peak Power TOS Team. Technology. The SNT2110 uses the combined power of two 56-volt Ego Arc lithium batteries sold separately to provide gas-comparable performance. This technology enables the blower to clear even heavy wet snow quickly and efficiently. Clearing and throwing performance. With a 21-inch clearing width, this snowblower tackles snow across a wide path, making it ideal for driveways, sidewalks, and walkways. It can throw snow up to 40 feet, helping you move snow well out of your way. Steel auger and brushless motor. A steel auger cuts through snow and ice efficiently, and the high-efficiency brushless motor delivers reliable, durable performance while maximizing runtime from your batteries. User convenience features. The blower features variable auger speed controls so you can adjust how far snow is thrown, and handle-mounted chute controls for easy redirection of discharged snow. Two bright LED headlights increase visibility for early morning or evening snow removal. Build and storage. Built with weather-resistant steel and composite materials, this snowblower is designed to withstand harsh winter conditions. A quick fold handle makes it easy to transport and store when the job is done. Battery and charger info. Please note that batteries and charger are not included with this bare tool model, giving flexibility if you already own compatible Ego Power Plus batteries or prefer to choose your own. The Ego Power Plus SNT2110 combines cordless convenience with strong snow clearing capability, making it a reliable choice for homeowners looking to battle winter weather without the fuss of gas engines. With its robust features and smart design, it delivers efficient performance in a compact, user-friendly package.